Hello friends! Today I'm going to show you how to crochet a chain. It's the most basic stitch that comes up in almost every crochet pattern. Once you have a slip knot ready on your hook, you can start chaining. Wrap the yarn around your hook from back to front. To do this, you have to move the hook under the yarn strand. Now, catch the yarn with the hook and lead it through the loop. This is a chain stitch. Now repeat. Wrap the yarn, we call it yarn over, catch it and lead through the loop. As you can see, each movement creates one loop on the hook and one below. The loop on the hook is called the working loop. The one below is a chain stitch. Now, if you want to count your chain stitches, you always start below the hook. The working loop doesn't count. Remember to practice keeping the right tension. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye!